What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. So today I got a small little haul from Autozone. I picked up some limited edition emblems and a couple other emblems. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so picked up some emblems from Autozone. Picked up some limited edition emblems. I like putting these on the Forerunners. Because we have two limited edition Forerunners. I'm going to put these on the doors, on the front passenger or driver side doors. I actually, two is for one vehicle. This one is because I already had one, so this plus the other one I had equals two sets. And then I picked up these as well. They're official licensed U.S. Army products. High quality product, durability, won't fade or chip. These do fade. They do fade. Well, the gold plating does fade, but the main emblem does not fade. I have this on the Sky, the SR5 that ended up getting into a wreck in. So these are one for the 2000 limited, one for the 97 limited, and one to replace the one on Sky, the SR5. Or this could be, you know, a spare for another vehicle down the road. But I picked these up, and I picked these up. Sky actually has a set of these. Even though the truck got wrecked, it still has these. I like this emblem design better than the weird rounded style ones. They actually have where this line is, this black line, they have them where it doesn't come out. So this black line is actually what the emblem looks like. It's really oddly round. I don't like those. I like these better. And to show you, this is how long I've been using these emblems. So this is the one that I already had. It says Auto Drive on it. So looks, you used to be able to buy these at Walmart, and that's why it has the Auto Drive emblem on it. Walmart doesn't carry these anymore, but AutoZone does, and AutoZone's version is the Pilot's. So there's two right there, and then there's these two, and then this one and this one makes two. So I have enough to replace the ones on Sky because I have to replace the two front doors because they're completely smashed up. Well, they're not completely smashed. Actually, the driver's side door is the only one that needs to be replaced, and that's because the mirror got smashed into the door and the door creased. But you know, just in case if I need to replace both doors, I can. And then there's two for the limited 2000 and two for the 97 limited. So I have plenty to do what I need. You know, I can always buy two more of these down the road and have 4 spares or 2 spares extra. Doesn't really matter. But these emblems are great. I've actually had a set of these on Sky for well over 7+ years. Never had any issues. The other thing is these emblems, all of these emblems, you can take them off of a vehicle and then you can just apply automotive tape back to them by cleaning the double-sided tape off of these, because it does show it does have double-sided tape on them. So if you have to remove one, it's not a big deal. These emblems are actually extremely stiff. They're metal, they're not plastic. These are metal as well. But just a quick video, picked up some emblems that I put on all of my vehicles. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope the information's helpful. If you need to take one of these off, just use like a putty knife, plastic putty knife or something like that. Scrape under them, get them off, and then rip all of the double-sided tape that's on them off. And then just get 3M automotive grade double-sided tape. Put the tape back on them. Stick it back on whatever vehicle you're trying to stick it back on. I do appreciate you guys watching though. It's just a quick video. Doesn't need to be very long. It's just some emblems. Appreciate you guys stopping by as always. Like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!